Hi guys, welcome to Ride and Vlog. And sa video na to, i-test natin ang ating motovlogging helmet setup. So meron tayong tatlong i-test at ang i-test natin is the audio quality. So i-compare natin ang audio quality ng ating traditional motovlogging setup sa ating helmet, which is the GoPro, and then the GoPro mic adapter, and then the microphone. And in this case, yung gamit natin is lapel microphone. And then, the next one na i-compare natin is yung ating AirPods Pro. And then, the last one is ang ating Cardo Packtalk. So, ang gamit natin na GoPro is GoPro Hero 12, which is capable na siya ng wireless or Bluetooth audio. So, gagamitin natin yung ating AirPods at ang ating Cardo as a microphone. And then, i-compare natin sila together with the traditional wired microphone setup sa ating helmet. So dito sa ating wired setup, so kailangan mo siyang i-conceal yung mga wires dito, itatago mo na mabuti. So in my case, dito ko siya banda, medyo may butas dito konti, or medyo hindi naman siya butas pero may space siya konti na pwede mong itupi yung wire and then ilagay siya dito. And then ginawa ko, syempre, double-sided tape ko na lang siya actually, or tinape. Yan, para nakatago siya. Kasi kung dito ko siya ilalagay, yung usually dito kasi natin tinatago dito, palibot dito, mag-work yun kapag medyo maiksi lang yung wire ng yung microphone. But in my case, medyo mahaba kasi. Kaya, ganun ang ginawa ko. So, depende naman, case-to-case basis naman. But, the good thing is, gaya ng sabi ko, yung GoPro Hero 12, capable na siya ng Bluetooth audio. So, gaya ngayon, naka-record tayo gamit ang ating GoPro, and then yung microphone is itong AirPods. Pero, ang itetest natin is paano yung audio quality, lalo yung microphone, kapag bumabiyahe na. So, i-compare natin again yung ating traditional microphone setup, wired microphone, and then yung wireless via Bluetooth na AirPods, and then yung ating Cardo Packtalk. Alright, let's do the test.
Alright guys, so it's time to perform the test para sa ating quality check sa audio. So first na iti-test natin ay ang ating GoPro Hero 12 with the lapel microphone and GoPro mic adapter. Sa video settings, the same lahat, walang babaguhin. Ang babaguhin lang natin is yung mic input. So yep, dahil tayo saglit dito konti para natin, marinig natin yung tambucho at saka yung ating voice. So try nating i-keep sa the same speed sa lahat ng test natin. Try natin So again, right now we are using the lapel mic, then the mic adapter sa ating GoPro Hero 12. Ayan, so dito lang tayo. And then ikot tayo. Para bumalik. Alright, mic check. So ito yung quality ng microphone, lapel microphone. So I think any microphone or lapel mic mo siya or something na gagamitin nyo sa inyong GoPro with the mic adapter, I think hindi naman magkakalayo yung kanilang quality. So normal speed lang tayo. So ito yung quality ng sound and microphone using our GoPro Hero 12, and then the Boya lapel mic with the GoPro mic adapter. Test done. Right, next na gagamitin naman natin ay ang ating AirPods. This is the test number 2 using our GoPro Hero 12 connected to our AirPods via Bluetooth, and we are using it right now as a microphone. So tingnan natin kapag mabiyahe na. So let's try to keep the same speed and RPM gaya ng ginawa natin kanina. And syempre naka-close yung visor, yung chin curtain. Dito lang din tayo, ikot lang din. So isa sa concern dito sa sa AirPods, kasi nasa tenga mo siya tapos parang naiipit ng helmet, yung comfort. Pero so far okay lang, sakto lang. Hindi naman siya nakaka-discomfort, hindi rin siya masakit. Ayun, sakto lang, ayos lang. So malalaman natin mamaya yung quality. So again, this is the test number 2. Our GoPro Hero 12 connected to our AirPods via Bluetooth, and we're using it as our microphone right now. Test done. Alright, so I think that's it. Alright guys, so this is the final test for our audio setup. So ang setup natin ngayon ay ang Cardo Packtalk connected via Bluetooth sa ating GoPro Hero 12. Let's go! So try natin the same speed as the other two setup. And syempre the same destination. Sige tayo konti dito. Alright, medyo iba lang yung ng video ngayon dahil medyo hapon na. Wala na masyadong araw. Pero yeah, ikot lang din tayo dito. And let's do it. So again, this is the Cardo Packtalk connected via Bluetooth sa ating GoPro Hero 12. So ito yung quality. Again, this is the GoPro Hero 12 with the Packtalk of Cardo, using as a microphone. Right, so that's the quality of the Cardo Packtalk connected to the GoPro Hero 12. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and help me decide, or you'll be the judge, if mas maganda, yung first setup, yung traditional natin na GoPro and then yung lapel mic and the mic adapter, or yung bago na GoPro and AirPods Pro, or lastly yung ating Cardo Packtalk. Para i-connect yung ating wireless or Bluetooth audio devices, so meron tayong itong AirPods Pro at saka yung ating Cardo Packtalk. So para i-connect siya sa ating GoPro Hero 12, all you have to do is to turn on your GoPro, swipe down, swipe left, and then hanapin niyo yung pair device. And then set ninyo yung inyong for example, yung aking AirPods Pro into pairing mode. Ayan, so na-detect na agad siya. And then ang aking Cardo, set ko rin into pairing mode. And yan, nakita na agad siya. And then i-prepare lang. i-add lang natin to or press lang natin yung plus button. Alright, so connected na. And then another one. Connect. Alright. Okay. So, ganun lang. So for example, ito, connected tayo ngayon sa ating Packtalk. So we can use the Cardo Packtalk as our Bluetooth microphone. Alright, that's it.